You're not overwhelmed. You're undisciplined. Stress isn't attacking you. You're just letting it. It's not life. It's you trying to control what was never yours to command. That's the truth no one wants to say out loud. This isn't about breathing techniques. This isn't about yoga mats or herbal tea. This is war inside your mind. And the enemy? It's every moment you chose reaction over reason, emotion over endurance, comfort over clarity. But here's the twist. The ancient warriors of thought, people like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, they figured it out centuries ago, and they left behind the weapons, sharp, quiet, eternal. Today, I'll show you 5 Stoic secrets that can disarm stress in 60 seconds or less. Not tricks, not hacks, tools for a mental battlefield, because the world won't stop, but you can stop breaking every time it speeds up. You wake up, phone's already lighting up, missed messages, missed calls, an email, subject line that says urgent, but feels more like a personal attack. You check your calendar, packed, and just like that, your chest tightens, your brain fogs, your mood crashes. Stress has arrived, uninvited, but expected. And the question is, do you fight it like a modern victim or a Stoic warrior? See, Stoicism isn't about being cold, it's about being clear. So here's the first secret. 1. Control the controllables. The Stoics had one obsession. What can I actually control? Epictetus said, some things are up to us and some things are not. That one sentence is a sword. Ask yourself in the moment stress grabs your throat, is this mine to carry? Or am I picking up someone else's chaos? You can't stop the storm, but you can choose whether or not to step outside. A phone buzzing is not stress. An angry boss is not stress. Stress is your interpretation of those things. And when you separate what you control from what you don't, stress melts. One decision, one breath. Not mine. But that sounds too simple, right? You might think, what if I care deeply about something that's outside my control? That's the second secret. Second, care. Strategically, Marcus Aurelius cared about Rome, about his soldiers, his people, but he still wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Because caring doesn't mean clinging. Attachment without clarity is just self-sabotage. You care, that's noble, but care like a general, not a servant. Detach emotionally, engage intentionally. Every time stress shows up, ask, am I reacting or responding? Reactions are loud, fast, blind. Responses are quiet, focused, deadly accurate. Strategic caring doesn't make you heartless, it makes you wise. Still, sometimes it hits too fast, like a wave crashing before you could see it forming. You feel like you're drowning in it. Emails, expectations, decisions. Here's secret 3. 3. Practice the pause. Seneca said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Stress feeds on speed. It wants you to react before you reflect. It wants panic, not presence. So, pause. Inhale slowly, exhale slower. No words, no movement, just one moment of inner stillness. That pause, it's not weakness, it's a weapon. It's you sharpening your awareness before launching a response. You'll be shocked what 10 seconds of silence can prevent. The fight, the burnout, the breakdown. Because in that pause, you return to yourself. And that's where power lives. But maybe you've been told, just relax, let it go. Think positive. Cute advice doesn't work because stress isn't cured by coddling. It's cured by confronting. That's the 4th secret. 4. Memento mori. Remember, you're going to die. That's not morbid. That's clarity. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself of this every day because when you zoom out far enough, the things that stress you, they vanish. The traffic jam, gone. The unpaid bill, gone. That awkward conversation, forgotten. You're here for a blink. So when life screams in your face, remember, you're not here forever. So why spend forever inside your own panic? This one shift from urgency to eternity can dissolve stress before it even takes root. Perspective is peace, and peace, that's the strongest flex in 2025. But still, some days you'll break. Even with all the wisdom, you'll lose it. You'll yell. You'll scroll for hours. You'll escape into distractions. And that's where the fifth Stoic secret saves you. Cinquième, amor fati. Love your fate. Not tolerate it, love it. The Stoics believed that everything, the pain, the problem, the pressure, is part of your training. The obstacle is the path. Marcus Aurelius didn't avoid the struggle. He absorbed it. He turned stress into strength and suffering into strategy. Next time you feel overwhelmed, say this to yourself. This moment was made for me, not against me, not in my way, for me, because maybe that broken plan is revealing your real power. That lost deal is building your patience. That setback is sculpting your resilience. Stress isn't your enemy. It's your invitation to grow, to evolve, to stand still in chaos and say, I'm still here. So now, ask yourself, what if stress isn't a signal that something's wrong? What if it's a reminder to return to Stoic strength? What if your calm is your rebellion? Because in a world addicted to panic, your stillness is unforgettable. People won't understand it. They'll ask, how are you so calm right now? How do you stay focused when everything's falling apart? You'll just smile and think, they haven't read Epictetus. Let me leave you with this. Stress is not the villain, it's the mirror. And when you look into it with the eyes of a Stoic, you don't just see clearer. You become clearer, stronger, calmer, wiser. So the next time your world spins out, remember these 5 ancient tactics. Control what you can, care with strategy, pause with power, zoom out with perspective, and love. Even this, not in theory, in practice, because Stoicism isn't something you quote, it's something you live. Right now, right here, in 60 seconds or less. And if this spoke to something inside you, that part of you hungry for more control, more fire, more peace, don't scroll past it. Subscribe, because the world isn't getting easier, but you are about to get stronger than ever. One mindset shift at a time, one video at a time. Join the modern Stoics. We're just getting started.